Alright, and welcome to my shed. Today's a quick video. Should have been done ages back, but hey ho and all that. This is a GoPro 12 Black. I bought this because this camera there is a little unreliable these days. That's a Sony FX3000 or something like that. And so I thought, if I don't get no problems out of this, so I thought, you know, I'll get this GoPro 12 to take over. So this is a special bundle, by the way. Whatever special bundle means. Can you see that? Special bundle? No? I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, this is, what was I saying? Includes an Enduro battery. It should include two actually. It's got the Enduro battery, the handler, a head strap, camera case, and I thought it had two Enduro batteries. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll see. Let's rip the box open. Right, nice box. Put it along with the rest of them. I've got one of these cases when I bought this one, so handy to have another one. Let's have a look what you get in here. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone. Make sure you have internet access, then turn on your GoPro by pressing there. Follow the on-screen instructions, and then it tells you to update without the app and different languages. First off, we have subscribe to GoPro. I'm already a subscriber, so any questions, handy little net bag. You've got the head strap here. Nice little, oh, I thought it was a permanent wrapper for it, but it's not. It's just a dodgy piece of paper. Now, to be fair, I wish they'd have done or put an elastic band, you know, a decent elastic band on that. But there we go. This goes on your noggin. Your GoPro goes in there, and then what you see, your camera sees, kind of thing. Quality's alright. Got nice GoPros all over the place, so you know you've got the original. Adjustable for the size of the head if you've got a big head. What else have you got in here? You've got a little GoPro bracket. That'll fit into there, like, I'll go one way, I imagine, like that. That'd fit into, am I doing this right? Yeah. Whoa, maybe I'm not. The wrong way. Is it the wrong way? Oh. I'll have a look at it later. Maybe I screwed it up. Now you've got two Enduro batteries here. I knew there was two on it, look. So you've got two batteries on there with that. You've got the handle, it says. Oh, wait a minute then. So will that? Right, okay, so that will fit in there, won't it? Am I supposed to squeeze them or something? God, that's tough. I guess it's supposed to be tough, isn't it? Phew. That's something else. Jesus. Well, what am I doing wrong? Oh wait, hang on. That's supposed to come out. If you hear that whirring, it's my laptop. That comes out. Now let's see. Ah, look, there you go. Much better. See? My bad. That little plastic grommet thing was keeping it stiff, and that fits in no problem. So if you got like a helmet or something, it'll fit in there. No worries. Nice handle, I suppose. Handy if you're going to go swimming and you drop it, it's going to float whatever which way. So that's that. What's in here? In here you've got a couple of the GoPro screw things to attach it to the camera, and here you've got a USB-C run-of-the-mill How big is this? Let's have a look. This is, wow. It depends, I suppose. It's big enough for your pack. For your pack if you're going to go out somewhere. You don't need a 12-foot one, do you? But there you go. That's that. And then finally, did these come out? Oh, the whole thing. You see, here's the thing, right? Why didn't they put this built in with better quality so you could have a decent compartment in your case? I'm going to leave that in there anyway. So how do I get this out? So have I got to tip it out? Yeah, because I want to keep that in there. So your camera must be updated first before you can use it. So this is wrapped in crappy paper again. And then they've put, you see, yeah, really sticky, crappy cover on it. I don't know what that's about. You see, I've still got the actual screen protecting plastic thing on this, as it is. Is that working? Yeah, that's on. Now, the speckle, can you see that speckle? I don't know if you can see that speckle there. I don't even know if that's recording. I hope you're taping. That speckle there. See, I'm not a fan of that. I'm not quite sure what they were trying to do there, to be fair. Is it to mark it from the rest kind of thing? So, you know, that, or this is, you can tell without looking at this is a GoPro 12. I'd rather they're just plain black. I'm done with it. I'll come out with a white one or something. Just this speckle. Can somebody in the comments explain to me what the significance, if any, of this speckle is? Is it just design? So I won't turn it on. So that's inside it. And then the batteries here go in there. These are supposed to be, they're supposed to work in a lot cooler weathers and last for longer. We'll see. I got two then anyway, so I got the bundle. And now that is shit, that yeah. God, that's stuck on there, man. You don't get no peel satisfaction. Maybe you do. Ding. Don't like that. And that come off there like that. So that's it. You can disconnect that and put your ultra wide lens on it if you want. But oh yeah, also with this one, it's got a tripod screw on it as well. So rather than fiddling with this, you could actually stick it on a tripod like that. Let's do that. Let's do that. See how easy that is. So that, flatten them down. Don't know if you can see that. That'll go on. Lift it on that. Should do. And there you go. You've got your GoPro on a tripod. So you can point it which way you want to point it. Up, down, left, right. Kind of stuff. Let it go again. No, it's not. I don't want to twist it and break it. So there we are. Nice looking camera. It's just that I've got to take this bloody this white cover off that now. I wanted to keep it on the back. Save all the smudgy print and all that. So, that is the GoPro 12. If you've got one, what do you think? After I bought it, I was looking at the DJI Action Camera 4. And I was, to be honest, for what I could see on the internet, on the YouTube, it looked like it had a decent picture. And I was a bit kind of, you know, ooh, should I have bought the DJI one? But I don't know. Maybe I'll be happy with this in the end. If you like this video, like, subscribe. Until the next time, take care.